turn the volume knob past halfway, and suddenly the ground beneath your sneakers starts to vibrate. That is the exact moment you realize you are no longer just listening. To attract, you are hosting a full-blown music festival right in your own backyard. High-power portable audio gear has reached a wild new level lately, and this particular party monster is pulling zero punches. We are talking about 160 watts of sheer acoustic force. It fills giant outdoor spaces without breaking a sweat. It pushes heavy bass lines straight through your chest while keeping the vocals crisp and crystal clear. But the sound signature is only half the story here. The front panel lights up with a full spectrum ring of dynamic colors. These lights actually dance, flash, and pulse in perfect sync with whatever beat you throw at them. It looks like a neon light show straight out of a high-end nightclub. It completely changes the overall vibe of a room the exact second you hit play. If you're planning an all-day bash by the beach or hanging out near the pool, battery anxiety is completely off the table. You get up to 12 solid hours of continuous playtime on a single chart. When the juice finally runs low, plugging it into the wall gets you back to full capacity in under 4 hours. Spills happen when people get excited, but a sudden splash of water or unexpected rain won't stop the music. The rugged outer casing comes equipped with built-in water resistance. What really sets this unit apart, though, is the incredible versatility hidden right on the back panel. You are not stuck just streaming tracks over seamless wireless connections or plugging in standard audio cables. There are dedicated inputs for both a live microphone and an electric guitar. That means you can transform any casual weekend hangout into an impromptu karaoke showdown or a full-on busking session in seconds. You can dial in the custom bass levels to match your mood, turning a chill acoustic set into a thumping dance floor generator with one button tap. If one giant speaker somehow is not enough to satisfy your inner rock star, you can link two of these identical units together completely wirelessly. That creates an immense stereo soundstage that will have your whole neighborhood talking. Just be careful when shopping, because fake units are floating around online. Stick to authorized sellers to make sure you get genuine sound performance. Portable sound has truly come a long way.